Friends, welcome back. Naji here. So in this video, we will be discussing on how can we extract few information from this web page. So we'll be using browse use to extract the information and we will see how can we do that. So the plan is we will be extracting a few codes from this particular website, maybe 4 or 5 codes and the author. So and also we will be taking the tags. So we'll see how can we do this. So for that, as usual, I have my Visual Studio Code is up and running. Okay, so we can import few packages. So I can import the Sync, then I can load my environment variable using .env load.env and we can import the load.env and here I can do the load.env. Okay, now let's define a few more things. Like I can from the browse use, what I can use, I can import the agent. Okay, then also I can use my OpenAI chat LLM. So OpenAI can be used here. Okay, now let's define a main method. So def main. So now let me make it a template. Okay, let's define name equal to here I can say main, right? I can do async.run. I can call the main. Okay, so basic skeleton is ready. Now we can add the necessary details. Okay, so the important part that is need is the LLM. So I can define the LLM. So LLM will be chat OpenAI. So here I will be using, I can use GPT, I can say GPT 4.1 mini. Okay, I'll be using 4. Mini. Okay, now let's define the task. Okay, the purpose of this agent or what this LLM has to do. Okay, for that we have to give clear instructions what we are going to do. Okay, so here I'm saying that okay, go to the website. Okay, here I can say go to the website. So now let me take the website information. I can say let me paste it here. Not here. I can let me paste it here. Okay, I can say go to this website and extract following information. So what all things I need? I can say it has to extract first 5 codes on the page. Then I can say the author. I need the author of this code. You can say the author of each code. Then I need the tags associated with each code. Now I'm going to tell okay in which format I need this one. So I can say present the information in a clear and structured format like okay, I need it something like code 1. Then I need my code text here. So let me correct my spelling here. Top code text here. Then I need the author. Okay, so here I'm saying author name is needed. Then I can specify the tag I need. I can say tag 1, tag 2, etc. So now let me copy and paste it here. I can say etc. Here I am going to say code 2. Okay, so the LLM is ready. We have instantiated the chat OpenAI. Then we have our task is ready. Now let's define an agent. So the agent will be I can define the agent need the task. So task is already defined. Now the LLM is also defined here. Now let's define a variable called result. Here I can say agent.run. Right, since it's asynchronous, I need to wait for this one. Now I can print my final answer. I can say final answer is, so here I'm going to use result.final result, and this is a function. Okay. This is very simple. So in most of the cases, what browsers need the LLM model and a clear task description, then it will able to do whatever the instructions that we are given to the browse use. Okay, now let's execute it. Python data extract.py. We'll see what is the result. So the execution is in progress. So the browser is up and run. Let me maximize it. Okay, it's identifying the header and the tags and the author, etc. We'll see. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, I think the execution is completed. Now let's go back to the console. Okay, see here we can see the answer. The final answer is, here is the first 5 codes from this particular site and with their author and associated tag, and this is the code 1. Okay, then this is the author and these are the tags, and this is the code 2. Similar to that, yes, a author is there and tags is there. This is exactly how we mentioned in the prompt, right? So here also we can see the code 5, and here also we can see the author and his tag. Okay, so in this way we can easily extract few data using browse use. Okay, so that is all about in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.